I found this in the shed when we were tidying it out recently. I thought I'd do a quick video showing it running. It's an old 4-stroke petrol engine that I turned into a compressed air engine. This must be 10 years ago or something. It had basically everything removed: the carburetor, exhaust, magneto. The valves have been blocked up in the cylinder head. So basically it's just the piston cylinder and the crankshaft. And I cooked up a rather ridiculous linkage to drive a piston valve, which is mounted on top here. Excuse me. Air inlet here through the regulating valve into the piston slide valve, and the air then travels into or out of the cylinder head through what was the spark plug port. You can see the where are we? There. The inlet down that tube there. So as the sliding inside this tube, the larger tube here, there's basically two discs, two pistons with a space between them. So when the two pistons are, for example, here, then air can travel through the inlet pipe and into the cylinder, pushing the piston down. Then when the two pistons move to here, the air inlet is still connected to the space between the two pistons, but because there's nowhere for the air to go, the air doesn't go anywhere. But the spark plug port is now uncovered. See when it moves back there, spark plug port's uncovered, and the air can exhaust from the cylinder on the upstroke. So all of this is driven off of the magneto flywheel. There's a small eccentric mounted there, and there's a couple of linkages, a bell crank to drive the piston in the slide valve. It works quite smoothly. If you look closely, this linkage here actually hinges about that point to transfer the motion. So I'll turn the compressor on to build up some air pressure, and then we can try running it. So our air line just goes on to here. There. Turn the compressor back on. Just give it a little while for the pressure to build up again, and then we'll try running it. That should do now. The safety valve's hissing. So the top dead center mark is still visible. So I put it to there and turn it on. Off she goes. It'll run quite slowly, even if I turn the throttle down a bit. It's got a fair bit of torque as well. I'm finding it pretty hard to stop that. Oh, well. Let's stop it there. The air compressor can't really produce enough air to keep up with the demand of this. Yeah, I can't hardly stop that there. You see the blast of water vapour coming out the exhaust. Okay, full throttle one more time. Heh, it's great fun. So maybe someday I'll get round to turning that into a steam engine. I don't know. Okay, thanks for watching.